If you're looking to take years off your appearance, then you can consider the laser facelift. Dr. Richard Jackson is here with all the details from Changes Medical Spa. Dr. Jackson, as always, thanks so much for being here on Daytime.
Thank you, Anna.
Yes. So first of all, let's just talk about the 4D laser facelift. Tell me a little bit about it.
Sure. It's called the Fotona 4D laser facelift. We use the Fotona laser, which is a wonderful piece of equipment. And we like to say, give us 10 weeks and we'll give you 10 years off your appearance.
That. I like that. And so we're looking at the first picture that you provided for us right now. And people, obviously, you can see the difference right there from the before and after. Tell me a little bit about what people can see when they get the 4D laser facelift done.
Well, it's a unique lifting and rejuvenation procedure for women or men and for any skin color, and there's no surgery, no anesthesia, and no downtime. We don't do any cutting or pulling, and it just tightens the skin itself, so there's no chance that it'll be over-tightened for something like what we call the Kenny Rogers look. And the results are just very natural, and people notice that you look younger and fresher. Right,
and so you mentioned, no cutting or anything like that. So is it painful at all?
It is. People say it's very comfortable generally, and we don't do any cutting. We don't remove any tissue. There are no injections or suturing or bleeding or bruising. Parts of it are really very comfortable, and other parts can be pretty warm or prickly. Right. So we can reduce the laser settings if necessary, or just use a numbing cream.
Okay, and so and also, you mentioned that you use this actual laser machine. How does the laser work when the facelift is actually done?
Well, the name 4D refers to 4 dimensions of treatment, and it's kind of a combination of 4 different laser procedures, and it's done in 3 parts, spaced about a month apart, and each one builds on the other to give a more youthful appearance.
Right, and so we're looking at some more pictures right here of the before and after. Clearly, you can see a difference there, but how do you look directly after a treatment?
Well, after the first treatment, the improvements are fairly subtle, and each one, again, builds on the next treatment, and improvement will continue for about 6 to 9 months after the last treatment.
Okay, and so how long does it normally last, the effects from the 4D laser?
The effects will last for more than 2 years, although that depends on a lot of individual variables. There's no lifting procedure that lasts forever, and we can't stop time, but good health and nutrition overall, and protection from sun, a skincare regimen, not smoking, all of those will help extend the life of the procedure.
Right, and people can come to you obviously for touch-up treatments later on as well. And so obviously people want to know, they're interested, they look at those pictures. What is the cost?
The cost is very economical. I can't say exactly because it depends on a lot of extra features, and we customize it to the individual needs. But generally it's about 20 to 25% of the cost of a surgical facelift. Right. So it's a really good value, very affordable. Right.
So we saw in the pictures there, obviously tightening around the jowls, the eyes, the forehead, but you also work on the neck as well.
We can. That's one of the options, and we can do either fat reduction or tightening of the tissue, or both around the neck.
And you also work on the lips as well.
We can do a laser lip enhancement. It actually increases the volume of the lips and gives a very nice effect. We can even enhance the volume of the earlobes.
Wow. And so what else is included? Obviously, people want to come and talk to you for an initial consultation, but there's a lot of extra perks also.
Sure. Well, the initial consultation is free, and we do a computerized facial analysis to help with the treatment planning, and people get $500 in extra esthetician treatments like microdermabrasion or chemical peels by our esthetician, and we have special discounts on skincare products, medical grade like Obagi, and we also have special discounts on dermal fillers and Botox to help maintain the results.
Right. Lots of great ideas for anniversary, Christmas gifts, right?
Yep.
They can come and talk to you about that. We also want to remind people that you will be open January 6th if anyone needs a Saturday consultation.
Right. We're usually closed on
well.
Saturday, but that day we're going to be open.
Wonderful.
And I want to say this is really the time to start now if you want to get ready and look your best for a reunion or for other events, weddings.
Now is the time.
Or if you just plan to start dating again.
Exactly. All right, Dr. Jackson, thank you so much. We so appreciate it. You can contact Changes Medical Spa and Laser Center. Their number is right there on your screen, and you can find out some more information about the 4D laser facelift. Thanks again, Dr. Jackson.
Thank you,
Merry
Anna.
Christmas.